Boy, a lot of severe storms to our northwest tonight. All the yellow boxes, those are severe thunderstorm watches. And we've had 121 reports of severe wind off to our west and northwest. The part of the line I'm going to watch for us is actually southern Wisconsin here, back into eastern Iowa. And this area will likely start to bulge out and congeal into one main line about right here and start to head our way. And these will be the storms that affect us tomorrow morning, with a sporadic damaging straight line wind threat before we see the afternoon start to dry out. That's the focus of this weather story. To the maps we go tomorrow morning. Again, some storms around as that line comes in from the northwest. We'll have an overnight low probably around 78, and then as we overturn the lower atmosphere, we'll drop into the low 70s with some of those storms around probably by 8 o'clock in the morning. Noon, still a couple showers in the east, otherwise warming up into the 80s, mid-90s by 5, but not anticipating any redevelopment at that point. Our atmosphere will be pretty overturned. We'll have to wait until tomorrow night before we get any additional redevelopment. So that wave of storms in the morning, sporadic straight line, damaging straight line wind threat, generally in that 5 to 10 a.m. time frame. Then we're dry and just hot. Tomorrow night we'll watch for perhaps a little additional storm development later in the night, perhaps the early half of Friday, and then cooler by the weekend. 75 to 80 tonight until some of those storms overturn the atmosphere and we drop into the low 70s early to mid-morning. And then tomorrow, after storms in the morning, clouds will thin out. We'll get some sun, hazy sun. 93 Winamac, Rochester, 94 Crawfordsville, 95 Kokomo, and a 96 in Lafayette and West Lafayette. Friday, as the actual cold front comes through, a few scattered storms, mainly the early half of the day, perhaps late Thursday night, with 90 to about 95 generally, though 89 Morocco, 92 at Lafayette. On Futurecast, again, fine most of tonight, but tomorrow morning, wave of storms comes through. It gets out of here once we approach late morning, and then the afternoon, the clouds will tend to thin out. Notice in the outlook here, again, after that 101 today, we'll be up to 96 tomorrow. Wave of storms in the morning, pushing out. Perhaps a few more storms late Thursday night, Friday morning, early half of Friday, that is. 92. The weekend looks dry. 88 Saturday, 88 Sunday, 90 on Monday. But the heat wave's coming back. After 88 Saturday and Sunday and 90 on Monday, check out Tuesday, 92. On the leading edge of that heat wave, a few more storms. Notice Wednesday, some scattered storms, 97 for the high, Dan.